Summerville, and we are heading towards Vrindaban. I think, and we have like around 3 hours travel time. Guys, we still have an hour to Vrindaban. Currently we are at Pennsylvania, so West Virginia, Pennsylvania, and then now I think it will take us again to West Virginia.
Sometimes we act like a fool, not aware we're troublemakers. Sometimes we try to be cool, not being givers, only take.
We are finally here at the Temple of Gold.
Yes.
Krishna Temple. After 3 hours?
Yeah, after 3 hours of drive from West Virginia, Lansing.
So you have Yoga Sala, cabin 6, cabinet, cabin 9,
area
Peacock House, Resident House,
resident housing.
Lalita Kunda, Syamkunda Kunda, Palace of Gold, guided to Swetanira, Lotus Pond.
Stop for a minute, stop and breathe for a minute. Don't get over your head, try to listen instead, won't you? Think for a minute, who you wanna be for a minute. Don't get over your head, you're like everyone else, aren't you? You could gain from being a bit nicer, know when to talk and when to shut your mouth. You're so moody, always such a fighter. Try to open up your mind sometimes, you'll be just fine. You'll be just Sometimes we yell when we're sad, and sometimes we laugh when we're afraid.
So guys, we are inside the temple in Vrindaban. Let's go take the guided tour, and we're waiting for our turn.
Sometimes we smile when we're mad, and some lines we wished we'd never said. Stop for a minute, stop and breathe for a minute. Don't get over your head, try to listen instead, won't you? Think for a minute, who you wanna be for a minute. Don't get over your head, you're like.
Hey guys, did you visit the Vrindaban in West Virginia? So if not,
Come here.
and visit. So we just had a guided tour inside the Gold Palace,
temple,
right? Gold Palace.
Gold temple. Palace.
Gold Palace.
Okay,
Yeah.
yeah, it's not temple.
Yeah, and it was a guided tour, but we are not allowed to take the video. So if you want to really see what's inside it, you have to come and visit this place. But I'm going to take you to the tour around the garden and the outside structure of this place.
Everyone else, aren't you? You could gain from being a bit nicer, know when to talk and when to shut your mouth. You're so moody, always such a fighter. Try to open up your mind sometimes, you'll be just fine.
So guys, if you are in West Virginia, don't forget to come visit this place. This is a very cool place to visit when you have time. Definitely worth it. We really had a great time visiting this place. So we had a great time. You had a great time. Thank you so much guys watching my video. Please like, subscribe and comment, and feel free to share. Bye bye.